Hello and welcome to Unifi Lending's Associate Program. Today we're going to be talking about developing your own systems and processes. The purpose of this module is to help you realize the importance of and to help you begin to develop your own systems and processes. First, let's define what a system is. A system is a repeatable set of steps that, if repeated, will get you the same outcome each time. Now, in mortgages, we're dealing with people. We're not making a recipe or a map. So the outcome spoken of is unlikely to be the same each time. But by having a system, you at least have something to work and improve upon. If you don't have a system, every deal or file can feel like you're starting from scratch. And after the conclusion of the file, you won't have a system to analyze, so you won't know if something's working or what doesn't. If you do have a system, however, each deal can feel easier than the last, and even your first deal can feel really smooth. And after the file is concluded, you will have a set of steps to at least evaluate and build upon. When making your system, you should appreciate your strengths. Everybody's unique, and as a result, you might find that you work differently than your peers. Maybe you appreciate the telephone, or text, or email, or in person. Either way, just make sure to be alert to your own style and preferences. Just remember to start somewhere. As journalist Kara Swisher says, frequently wrong, but never in doubt. Well, that's a different way of saying anything worth doing is worth doing badly, which is another famous quote. The point is that your system won't be perfect. It never will be, but you should start somewhere. Our goal is to go from frequently wrong to rarely wrong. Either way, when somebody reaches out to you or when you have a job to do, you want to know that you have a set of steps that you always turn to. In conclusion, we encourage you to try this exercise. Every time you're faced with a new task, take out a piece of paper or start a new blank Word document. Title it in the top right with the task at hand. So, for example, if somebody reaches out to you for a mortgage, you're reacting to a lead, then write that in the top right. And then start writing down a list of steps that you think may work. Maybe you'll reach out to them by email or text, or you give them a phone call, or two of the three. And then start to complete those steps by going and working your way down the list, doing them one at a time. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.